Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. We got a nice 2020 Coachmen Catalina. Model number is a 19TH. Come on inside, let's take a peek. This is Coachmen's toy hauler. So it's the small little toy hauler. So it's got the ramp door, and this is actually a railing, so it's got the patio deck with a drop down curtain. The bench here folds down into a bed. You got your stereo system here with your TV. Got your Furrion glass top burner. You got the glass doored oven, microwave. You got your Norcold refrigerator freezer here. AC above us, LED lights. You got storage over here for all your helmets and stuff. This is a little vent for, you know, if you've got quads or stuff in here, motorcycles, get the gas fumes out. You got nice little light cabinets, storage above us there. You got the double sink storage, drawers, nice wood. So this has got the corner bed, but you got storage for your hanging here and above us there. So then it's got a pass through in the front. It goes all the way through. And that's your nice big shower tub, actually. Toilet there, skylight above, so a big tall guy can fit in there. So, you know, instead of a lot of the smaller toy haulers, they don't have the bed in the front, they just have the ones in the back. So this is a lot more comfortable, gives you more room for your quad. I mean, you can actually put a quad in here and motorcycle. So good looking unit. Let's go outside and look at the rest. Got the nice big grab handle going out. This has got the new step, solid step that folds up inside, so really solid. I mean, a lot of people are liking the new step. So aluminum. You've got the electric awning, outdoor speakers. You got your plug-in for your cable here. Cable plug in to put a TV there if you want, or barbecue or whatnot. So here's the ramp door that you can lock right there. It's pre-wired for backup camera. That's what that is up above us. So here's cable, satellite. Here's another vent for let some gas fumes out. So this outdoor shower, power cord. Here's all your water connections, city water. Here's the pass-through storage. It goes all the way under that bed. Goes all the way through, right there. But lightweight, half-ton towable. Great little unit. Comes with the battery. We got the big tall tanks. It's got the electric tongue jack. So, I mean, a lot of guys are looking for half-ton towable toy haulers. That's what this is for. So we carry different brands. We sell the toy haulers, fifth wheels, campers, you name it, I can do it. I'm Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV. Thanks.